All right, I hacked away. Shoot up into it. You can see it. You can see the trail. I started blazing up into it. I'll get to it tomorrow. I'll probably get all the way through tomorrow. Within 2 days, I'll have my track restored. Me and my Machete trail to run our RC boats today. This was thick, dense bush, but me and my Machete, we cleared the way. We cleared the way. As primitive as it may have been, we hacked and hacked and hacked and hacked up the hillside through the dense, completely dense brush to make it back to RC Boat Wonderland. Now here's where I stand and do my videos and run my boats. And up here's a nice clear meadow. So remember, kids at home, hard work and determination. Me and my Machete.